Hi boys and girls, today we're going to do some maths together. We're focusing on a new strategy, it's called the count up strategy. I've got a feeling you're going to like this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our knowledge of your lesson yesterday with Miss Pace when you did fact families to help with this strategy. So after doing fact families, I'm sure you've realised that addition and subtraction are really good friends. So we're going to use that knowledge. Our first sum says 8 take away 5 equals. Now, if I know that 5 is part of the 8, okay, I need to find out what the other part is, how much it is. So I'm going to ask myself, how many more do I need to make 8? This is how I do it. I have 5 in my head, so I don't need to write that down. But I'm going to start counting from 5. I'm going to stop at 8. Watch this. So I've got 5 in my head, 6, 7, 8. How many numbers did I write down? 1, 2, 3. I wrote down 3 numbers. And guess what? 3 is my answer. Let's do it using our fingers. 8 take away 5. I'm counting up from 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm holding up 3 fingers and that is my answer. Okay, let's now move on to our next one. 16 take away 12. How many more do I need if I'm starting at 12 and I want to stop at 16? So I'm going to count up. I have 12 in my head, 13, 14, 15, 16. Let's have a look at how many numbers I wrote. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's double check it. 12 in my head. Let's count up. 13, 14, 15, 16. 4 fingers. I've written 4 numbers, so 4 must be my answer. These two are pretty easy because I could count up and I didn't really need to write it down. I could just use my fingers. But what happens once I get a number where I need more than 10 fingers? Let's have a look. Okay, so I have 38 take away 15 equals. I'm going to count up again, but this time I'm going to use a number line. I'm going to use my knowledge of addition. So I think it was about a week or so ago, I taught you how to do the number line in addition. Okay, so now I'm going to use that same number line and I'm going to use my knowledge of addition. I have 15. My starting point is here because I'm adding. I want to finish on 38, so I want to finish about here. So I'm going to count, not just by ones because that will take forever, but I'm going to have to do some big jumps where I'm jumping 10. So if I go 15 plus 10 is 25, plus another 10 is 35. I've nearly got to 38. How many more do I need? 36, 37, 38. Great. Now I'm at 38. Now I need to work out how many more I needed. So 15 to 25. So I have 10. 25 to 35. Well, I know that's another 10. I've got 20. And these are counting by 1. 21, 22, 23. And that is my answer. Let's have a look at 98 take away 36. The numbers have a bigger gap between them, So the difference is going to be a lot bigger. I'm going to use my knowledge of addition to help me once again. I've got to start at 36 and I've got to finish at 98 to find the difference. I do my number line. I start at 36. I'm going to do quite a few jumps here. They're going to be jumps of 10. 46, 56, 66, 76, 86, 96. Need to get to 98. 96, 97, 98. So now let's have a look at how many I jumped. Well, I know that 36 plus 10 is 46, plus 10 is 56, plus 10 is 66, plus 10 is 76, plus 10 is 86, plus 10 is 96. Plus those two more got me to 98. So let's add up all my 10s. 10 plus 10 is 20, plus another 10 is 30, plus another 10 is 40, plus another 10 is 50, plus another 10 is 60, plus 1 is 61, plus 2 is 62. And that is my answer. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the count up strategy.